things as we travel this earth-shifting sands that transcend all the reason of man. But the things that matter the most in this world, they can never be held in our hand. I believe in a hill called Mount Calvary. I believe whatever the cost, and when sun has surrendered and earth is no more, us to cling to that old rugged cross. I believe that this life with its great mysteries surely someday will come to an end. But faith will conquer the darkness and death, and will lead me at last to my friend. I believe that the Christ who was slain on the cross has the power to change lives today. For He changed me completely, a new life is mine. That is why to the cross I will stay. I believe in a hill Mount Calvary. I believe whatever the cost, and when time has surrendered and earth is no more, us to cling to that old rugged cross, till my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to that old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. And when time has surrendered and earth is no more, us to cling